This is your I can exercise 4E word problem. A recipe of cake require 345 gram of sugar. How much sugar is required for making 12 such cakes? Means you have to multiply 12 with 345. You can see here I multiply here 12 with 345. So 2 5s are 10. Carry forward 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 3 2s are 6. Now plus 1 is at the 10th place, so write down over here 0. Now 5 1 ja 5, 4 1 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3. Now add these both. 9 plus 5 14, carry forward 1, 6 plus 1 7 plus 4 11, 1, 3 plus 1 4. Now second number, Miss Bharti has a 415 20 rupees notes. So you have to multiply 20 with 415. There are 316 biscuits in a tin. How many biscuits will be there in a 25 such a tin? So you have to multiply 25 with the 316. I have already given you solutions. Just check it and try to understand. Okay, this is the word problem. Now your exercise I can pour a. Estimate the following by rounding them to the nearest 10. Now your first is 34 with multiply 8. You can see here 34 multiply 8. 34 means this is the 4. In the rounding nearest 10, you have to just check at the one place. Okay, here one place 4 is given, so just compare with 4. 4 is less than 5, so this 10 digit remain as it is 3 and replace one digit by 0. So here 30 and 8 goes to 10. Rounding means nearest value, assuming value. Now if you multiply 30 with 10, then 3 ones are 3, then this is the 20, so write down after 20. So it answer is 300. Now 69 with multiply 23. 69 means 9. 9 is greater than 5. Here 3 is less than 5. So if this one's digit is greater than 5, then you have to increment by 1 at the 10 digit. So 6 becomes 7, and always replace one's digit by 0. Here 23, 3 is less than 5, so don't increment 10 digit. The 10 digit remain as it is 2, and replace one's digit by 0. Now if you multiply 70 by 2, 7 2s are 14, then write down this 20 after. Same thing, 73 multiply 22. Now 73, 3 at the one place, so 3 is less than 5. So 7 remain as it is, and this one digit replaced by 0. 22, in 22 2 at the one place, so 2 less than 5. So 2 remain as it is, and this 2 become 0. Same thing, 7 with 70 with multiply 20. So here 7 2s are 14, then write down this 20. Now you have a 328 and the 18. 328, 8 is greater than 5, so 2 become 3. 33, and here at the one place write down 0. 18, 8 is greater than 5, so 1 become 2, and 8 by 0. So multiply 330 by a 20. 30 2s are 60, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Then write down 20 at the after. Now your second question, estimate the following product by rounding the multiplicants to their respective highest places. जिसकी हाईएस्ट प्लेस है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें राउंडिंग करना है. हियर यू गेट द 270 by 42. So I am writing over here your question number 2. See here 270 means 2 at the highest place is 100, so we goes to here rounding to the 100. So for the rounding to the nearest 100, we have to check the tens digit. Here in 10 digit 1 is given, so 1 is less than 5. So at the 100 place doesn't increment by 1, it remain as it is 100 place. So 2 remain as it is, and the ones and 10 digits replaced by 0, so it's become 200. Now 42, 442, 2 at the one place. Okay, here rounding to the nearest 10 because here 2 digit is given, so 2 less than 5, so it's 40. So 200 with multiply 40, 2 5s are 8. 1 2 and 3 0 write down over here. Second, 415 with multiply 18. Here 3 digit is given, 1s 10 and the 100, so here you have to check again 1 less than 5, so it's become a 400. Here 18, 8 is greater than 5, so it's become a 20. Now again 400 multiply 20, 2 4s are 8, write down 3 0 remain as it is. Number 3, 6 2 3 multiply 13. You can see here 6 2 3, this is the 100 place, so 2 less than 5, so it become 600. 30 means 3 less than 5, so it's become 10. Now 600 with multiply 10, 6 1 ja 6, write down this 3 0, 6000. Same thing you have to do, you get the answer 8000. Now see question number 3. There are 475 bags of wheat kept on a farm. If each bag weight 9 kg, कितनी है 475 बैग्स है, हर एक बैग का वेट कितना है 9 kg. Estimate the total weight of these bags by rounding the number of bags to the nearest 100 and the weight of the bags to the nearest 10. Also verify the actual weight. So first of all what will you do, you have to just 475 bags दी है. ओके तो क्या दिया है यहाँ पे, राउंडिंग द नंबर ऑफ बैग्स टू द नियरेस्ट 100. सो वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस 475, we have to find out the nearest value up to 100. So nearest 100 means here 100 is given, so we have to check 7. 7 is greater than 5, so 4 become 5 and the other 2 digit replaced by 0, tens and ones. This is the bags. This is the bags. Now you can see here 9 kg. Kg is given, so we have to 9 kg. So 9 also greater than 5, so it's rounding to the 10. If we add 1, then 9 become 10 kg. So 500 with multiply 10, so we get the 5000. Now we have to also find out the actual value. So 475 with 9, so 9 5s are 45, carry forward 4, 9 7 ja 63 plus 4, 64, 65, 66, 67, carry forward 6, 9 4s are 36 plus 6, 42. You get this answer 4275. Here we get the estimate 5000. This is not right, we have to check. Here CD-ROM can hold approximately 746 MB data. How much data can such a CD-ROMs hold? So we have to here multiply with 746 by 7. So we get the 5222 MB data. You can see here I have done here. Now your mental maths. Write the missing number. 123 with multiply 100. So 525 का कितना होता है 100. So here you get the 20. What is the product of the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 2-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number is 9999 and the smallest 2-digit number 10. If you multiply with this, then here also 10. So 99,990. Your answer is 99,990. This is the greatest 4-digit number. This is the smallest digit number. Now 7 multiply 30 equal to 7, then 3 tens. Tens मतलब 10, so 3 tens. 10 multiply with 1000, so 1 2 3 4, so 10,000. You get 10,000. If 7 multiplied 9 equal to 63, then 7 multiplied 18 equal to how much? 7 9 is 63 होता है, तो we have to multiply 18 with 7. So 18 multiply 7, 8 7 जा 56, 5 carry forward, 7 1 जा 7 plus 5 12, so we get 126. The double of 58 means you have to multiply 58 by 2. 8 2 जा 16, carry forward 1, 5 2 जा 10 plus 1 11. Here there are dash paise in 25 rupees. Okay, you can already learn कि 1 rupees equal to 100 paisa. Then 25 rupees how much? So 25 with multiply 100, we get the 2500 paisa. Got it?